Let's learn, create, and explore together in the Curious Explorers Club.
Let's draw together. Easy step-by-step drawing for kids with Coco the Panda. Hi there, Curious Explorers. Welcome back to the Curious Explorers Club. I'm Coco the Panda, and today we have a super fun activity planned. We're going to learn how to draw a rainbow unicorn. That's right, we're going to draw a cute rainbow unicorn. This rainbow unicorn will be super cute and a lot of fun to draw. So, let's get started. Materials. Here are the materials that you will need. First, you will need a black marker for outlines. And then you will also need some markers for coloring. Feel free to use crayons, watercolor, pastels, or other color pencils as another option. And of course, you will need some paper to draw on. And that's it. Let's get to some drawing. Yay! For the drawing today, I'm going to get some help from my friend Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. First, let's get our piece of paper ready. We will start by drawing the unicorn's horn and hair. We are going to draw an oval for its horn. Feel free to make the horn longer or pointier. Next, we will draw in the hair and its ears. Let's also draw in some strips for the unicorn's horn. Next, we will draw in the unicorn's face and front hooves. I will draw some half ovals for the face and hooves. Now we are ready to start drawing the unicorn's face. We will draw in some semicircles for its eyes and add in some eyelashes with our black marker. Feel free to make the unicorn's eyes bigger or smaller if you like. You can also add in eyebrows to help the unicorn to better express its feelings. You can make it happy, sad, or even surprised. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. We are now ready to start drawing in our rainbow. Let's draw in some fluffy clouds to start. Next, we will draw in an arch for the rainbow and have them be connected to the clouds on either end. Now it looks like the unicorn is lying on a rainbow. Isn't it so cute already? Now that we've finished with outlining our rainbow, let's coloring our drawing. I'm going to start with my purple marker for the unicorn's hair, horn, and rainbow. Feel free to change up the colors. Have fun and choose a combination of different colors that you like. Isn't coloring so much fun? I'm going to use my pink marker next to color in the blush on its face, some of the unicorn's hair, horn, and hooves. If you want a challenge, You can add on more accessories for your unicorn. It can be a colorful hat or a long scarf. Feel free to use a few different colors to add a splash of colors to your unicorn's accessories. Doesn't it look fantastic already? It looks so awesome. Wow! Look at our amazing little unicorn. You all did a fantastic job. It looks so cute. If you like, you can also add some background, such as bubbles or some butterflies. You can also repeat this drawing and do lots of unicorns in the background. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. Here is the finished drawing of the unicorn and rainbow. It is so adorable. Here is a closer look at the drawing. Drawing can be so much fun, especially when we do it together. You all did a fantastic job. Thanks for drawing with me today. Remember, your art will get better with practice. So keep drawing and trying new things. You may want to try this drawing again using different colors or adding different faces and expressions to your character. Use your imagination and have fun with your drawing. See you next time, and keep exploring and creating.